Welcome to Easy English Talks podcast.
Today, we're learning how to speak English in a restaurant. We'll go from the moment you walk in, you'll learn how to ask for a table, read the menu, order food, talk to the server, and pay at the end. We'll cover everything step by step with real phrases and easy words, the kind of English people actually use. After this lesson, you will feel ready to eat at any restaurant in any country without worry.
You walk into a restaurant. A server comes over and looks at you. They say, "Hi, are you ready to order?" And your mind goes blank. You know what you want. You can see it on the menu, but the words are gone. Yes, this happens to everyone. So today, we are going to change that. Section 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Okay, you just walked in. You're standing near the door. A host or server comes to you. They smile and say, "Hi there, do you have a reservation?" A reservation means you called earlier and booked a table. If you have one, say, "Yes, I have a reservation. It's under the name Sarah." If you don't have one, say, "No, we don't have a reservation, but do you have a table available?" Simple and easy.
They might also ask, "How many people is it for?" or "Table for two." Your reply could be, "Just me, only one person." Or, "There are two of us." Or, "There are four of us." Very easy, right? Here's another useful question. Maybe the restaurant is busy. Maybe you have to wait. You can ask, "How long is the wait?"
If the wait is too long, it's fine to say, "That's okay. We'll try somewhere else. Thank you." Then you can just leave. No problem. But if the wait is okay, the server will say, "Right this way, please." That means, "Follow me. I'll show you your table." Just say, "Thank you," and follow them. You are now inside. You have a table. Good job.
Section 2. Looking at the menu. Okay, now you are sitting down. The server brings you the menu. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks. The server might say, "Can I get you something to drink first?" Or, "Would you like to start with drinks?" Here are easy replies. "Just water, please." "I'll have an orange juice, please." "Can I get a Coke, please?" "Just water for now, thank you."
Very simple and natural. Now you open the menu. Maybe everything looks good. Maybe you're not sure what to order. That's totally fine. You can ask the server, "What do you recommend?" This means, what is good here? What do you like? Servers like this question. They will help you choose. You can also ask, "What is popular here?" Or, "What is your best dish?" These are great questions. Maybe you see something on the menu, but you don't understand it. Just ask, "Excuse me, what is this? What is in this dish? What does this come with?" That last one is very useful. "What does this come with?" means what other food comes with this. Does it come with rice, with bread, or with salad? Maybe you have an allergy. An allergy means some food makes you sick. So you can ask, "Does this have nuts in it?" "Is there dairy in this?" "Does this have gluten?" "I'm allergic to shellfish. Can you make it without onions?" The server will always help you. Just ask. Don't be shy. One more question. Maybe the food looks a little spicy. Ask, "Is this spicy? Is this very hot?"
And if you want something not spicy, say, "Can I have it mild, please?" Mild means not spicy, light flavor. Okay, so now your drinks are coming, you know what's in the food, you asked your questions, now you are ready to order.
Section 3. Ordering your food. Okay, this is the big moment. The server comes back to your table. They take out their pen and notepad. They look at you and say, "Are you ready to order? What can I get for you? What would you like today?" Take a breath. You are ready. Here are 3 ways to order, from simple to very natural.
Level 1. Very simple. The pasta, please. The chicken burger, please. The soup, please.
I'll have the pasta, please. I'll have the chicken burger. I'll take the soup, please. I'll have works every time. It sounds confident and natural.
Could I get the pasta with tomato sauce? And can I have that without mushrooms? Could I get the chicken burger with extra cheese? And can I have fries instead of salad? See how easy that is? You just say what you want and what you don't want. Now, the server might ask you some questions. For example, if you order a steak, they will ask, "How would you like your steak?" This means, how cooked do you want it?
Here are your choices. Well done. Fully cooked. No pink inside. Medium. A little pink in the middle. Medium rare. More pink. Very soft. Rare. Mostly pink. Very juicy. Not sure? Just say medium, please. It's the most popular choice. The server might also ask, "Would you like soup or salad with that?" Just pick one.
Soup, please. Salad, please. Or ask, "What kind of soup is it today?" Easy conversation. If you are with friends, the server will ask everyone. When it's your turn, just say your order clearly. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Done. One more thing. Maybe you are not ready yet. Maybe you need 1 more minute. Just say, "Sorry, can I have 1 more minute? We're not ready yet. Thank you." The server will smile and come back. No rush, no problem.
But when you are ready, speak clearly, speak slowly, and always say please. That's all you need. Your order is done. Now you can sit back and relax. Your food is coming. Okay, you placed your order. Now you're waiting for your food. Maybe 5 minutes pass, maybe 10. Then the server comes to your table. They are carrying your food. They put it down and say,
Here you go. Enjoy your meal. Hope you like it. Just smile and say, "Thank you so much." Or, "Thank you." Now you start eating. Everything smells amazing. A few minutes later, the server comes back to check on you. They might say, "Is everything okay here? How is everything tasting? Are you enjoying your meal?"
If the food is great, say, "Yes, everything is great. Thank you." "It's delicious. Thank you." "Really good. Thanks for asking." "Amazing. We're really enjoying it." The server will be happy to hear that. Now, what if something is wrong? What if the food is cold? What if it's too salty? What if they brought the wrong dish? This is where many people stay quiet.
They don't say anything. They just eat the wrong food or cold food. But you don't have to do that. Just be calm, be polite, and say something.
For example, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the salmon, not the chicken. I think this is not my order." "Sorry to bother you, but my food is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please?" "Excuse me, I think this is a little too salty. Is it possible to get another one?" "Excuse me, I ordered fries with this, but they're not here. Could you check, please?" You are not being rude. You are not being difficult. You are just talking. You are communicating. And that is completely okay.
Maybe during the meal you need something extra, like ketchup, more bread, or a napkin. Just say, "Excuse me, could I get some ketchup? Could we get some more bread, please? Could I have another napkin, please? Could I get some more water, please?" Always start with "excuse me." It's polite and gets attention. And always end with "please" or "thank you." People will be happy to help you. Now sit back and enjoy your food. You're doing great. Okay, you finished your meal. Now it's time to pay and leave. First, get the server's attention. Give a small wave and say, "Excuse me." Now ask for the bill. In British English, "Could we have the bill, please?" In American English, "Can we get the check, please?" Both are correct. Use whichever you like. The server brings the bill. Check it carefully. If something is wrong, say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake." Now, time to pay. The server might ask, "Cash or card?" Just say, "Cash, please," or "Card, please." Eating with friends? Say, "Can we split the bill, please?" This means everyone pays their own part. Easy.
After paying, say something nice before you leave. "Thank you so much. The food was delicious. We had a great time." Then walk out with confidence because you did it. From walking in to paying the bill, all in English. Well done.
So, that was restaurant English. Let's do a quick recap. Section 1. Arriving. Do you have a table available? There are 3 of us. Section 2. The menu. What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Section 3. Ordering. I'll have the pasta, please. Could I get that without onions? Section 4. During the meal. Everything is delicious, thank you. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. Section 5. The bill. Could we have the bill, please? Can we split the bill?
These are the phrases you need. Simple, natural, and easy. Now here's a challenge for you. Go to the comments below. Write one sentence from today's lesson. Pretend you are at a restaurant. I read every single comment, and I will reply to yours. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel grow. And subscribe for more lessons like this. New videos every day. See you in the next one.